No, don't touch the
Did
cup.
we get the magic crayon?
No.
Oh man, I like the magic crayon.
Clay.
Are you coloring eggs?
Towel.
No.
Oh. How?
Over.
He won't fish anything out. Oh, he could possibly get.
Scoop the blue one out.
Food.
Okay. Needs to be darker. There. No.
Don't put it back.
What?
Put it back, Steven. Let's see the green one.
Good.
He's got it.
Oh.
No. That one's needs a lot more time. A little darker.
Is it?
Come on, I can. That one. No. Ba. No! This one's done.
Okay.
Same color or not?
It's a little darker.
I think I should
No,
put it
don't touch the cup.
a little longer. And then let's check out my red one.
Steven, can I see your hands?
You're taking out my red one.